The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can see, we are at Texas Superbikes in Plano, Texas. Very well known shop out here in Dallas, owned by the homie Alex. And from the previous video that you guys saw where I swapped out the engine by the homie Sly, I had to bring my S1K into his shop just so we can kind of get some better things off of it, because it was still misfiring on that engine that we slapped on it. As you can see, the S1K is up on the dyno right now, ready to go. I'm not going to show you the numbers that he did, but he did do a pull. Bike's running great, and I think she's good to go. So I'm excited to see what the bike does after that. I mean, she is filthy, still not fully reassembled, because all these side fairing pieces, the top of the tank, all that stuff, I have it at my house. I didn't bring it to him, but just to give you a recap, so far, I had replaced coils, spark plugs, basically everything that was in my hands to do at my house. Well, he thought it was gonna be the wiring harness from the bike, but it wasn't. Before he got to that part, right? But he replaced Airbox, throttle body, he replaced the fuel injectors, basically everything that he had his hands available to grab from. He ended up replacing it. I kept misfiring. So what are you asking that might be? Obviously the last thing before that, and before getting to the wiring harness, it's the ECU. And thankfully Alex had a spare ECU here in his shop from one of the other bikes that have been through the shop. His ECU is fine. As soon as he plugged it in, bike starts right up, it runs fine, no misfires, no codes, no nothing. And the ECU, it is flashed by Texas Superbikes, so we'll see what kind of power that does. And as you guys can see, ECU was swapped out. We had to swap out the key fob and the dashboard, so the whole thing has been swapped out. Thankfully we didn't, I mean, it's not a good thing, right? But we didn't swap out the harness on this. For that, I'm pretty sure that he had to drop the engine. So let me not make this too long. Let's go ahead and get Alex to do a pull. As you guys can see his shop, you know, it's a pretty big shop. He has one right next door, but we're at Texas Superbikes, guys. Let's do a pull. I'm really excited to see what kind of numbers this bike's gonna do. As you guys know, I do paint work myself, but it's mainly on cars. And Alex just recently started offering paint at his shop. And this is actually the shop's bike, the R1 that he owns in here. He did this really cool green color on this bike. It's really, really flaky, really, it's like a Hulk green. I don't know what the actual color might be called. Yeah, this color looks kind of sick, man. Will Kid Hill has ridden this bike, and this bike is very, very aggressive. So I can't wait for one day when we can show the R1 on this channel. Get some good content with that, but I thought I'd just show you guys, just to kind of show Texas Superbikes some love. But if you guys need any bike paint work besides me doing it, he offers that, you know. So there's all kinds of stuff going on in here. So okay, she sounds pretty good, bro. I don't know why, man. I've been going through so much deal with this bike that hearing it sound normal it's kind of hard to believe, to be honest. Oil level looks good. And we did get the fork seals redone as well, since it was already in here. So check the other side. The left side was leaking way more than the right side. But yep, no more oil. So that's a good sign. All right, guys, this is my Airbox. As you guys can see, we got the brand tune stacks on it. And what Alex was telling me is that the Airbox that the bike currently has right now, it's got Alpha Racing stacks, and that's how we were able to get some higher numbers on the horsepower increase. But not sure how we're gonna deal with the whole Airbox situation. I'm not sure if he's keeping mine and I'm taking the other one, or how's that gonna work. But he just wanted me to show you guys that, you know, the Airbox was swapped out too. So I'm gonna do a quick pull on it, see what it gets. God damn. Thing sounds aggressive. We'll see the graph right now, but see what kind of numbers it does. Off the dyno, we're probably gonna do a test run here. Basically 200.
And it's hotter than it was morning.
It is hotter, yeah, yeah.
And 43% humidity. It's pretty good.
Yeah. It's doing pretty good for it to be that hot. There you have it, guys. She's running strong. And here shortly we'll go test her out. We got the tollway here, so we'll, yeah.
Like with BMWs,
Yeah.
I've always said stock or alpha.
Stock or alpha?
I mean, I'm sure maybe brake stacks will work, but maybe with like a file that they need to provide.
So I will tell you this, man, and I was talking to Mess today too. Whenever brands send me the stacks and I updated the flash, because they sent me a new file for it, right? I noticed lag on the bike with the stacks. So my bike used to run better before I put the brand stacks on it.
So here, I'll show you. So that was yesterday.
Yeah.
This file was 611. Yesterday, yeah. This is with that other Airbox. It had like a dip around 12, 13,000 maybe.
Yeah, that's what this Airbox.
That other Airbox.
Okay.
So the stack. So that's the reason why I said, hey, let's change it back to at least stock.
Yeah.
Airbox. Well, the regular Airbox, same Airbox.
Yeah.
No, actually, I'm sorry. This is an Alpha Airbox.
Yeah.
That's a stock airbox. And then this has the stock alpha stacks.
Okay.
So this is like an OEM box for 23 plus.
Okay.
You put in, or you could buy it as an alpha airbox, which they come with the 20s. Anyways, and that made all the difference. I mean, what was it today? This morning? What was it today? Yeah, you can see it there.
Oh yeah.
Right off the bat in the morning. Anymore.
Yeah.
And
They went away.
Power carried, it went away. Yeah.
That's after you replaced the airbox.
That's after the replacing the airbox.
Okay. Damn, that's crazy.
And I mean, you see all the bottom, how it didn't lag. It's just everywhere, the power.
Yeah. Damn. Well, shit, there you have it, guys. Right now, we'll probably go test it. I did forget the fucking fairing, so I gotta figure out if I can either run it or not. But
all right, we switched over to the GoPro real quick so we can go test ride the bike. But damn, guys, I'm excited. I'm really excited. She sounds different, man, in a very good way. Last time she sounded different, but sounded like a horrible misfire on this bike. Unfortunately, I did not bring the fairings. We're gonna ride it kind of naked, so no, I'm not gonna go too fast. We want to feel the bike. But other than that, I mean, she's looking gorgeous, obviously. So everything that was replaced on this bike, not entirely % sure yet. I still gotta go in the office with Alex and talk about it. Obviously, new engine, and then after that, I thought it was just gonna be that, but unfortunately, my ECU was fried. It was making a cylinder number 2 misfire, which is not a good thing. Kind of see a bolt missing here. Como del motor mount, ¿no? ¿Le falta un tornillo o no?
I think there's one.
Antes.
Yeah.
Hay una línea que está pasando por ahí del
Yeah, that needs a motor, that needs an engine, bro.
Yeah.
Nothing's gonna happen to it right here, but it does need it.
Okay. I'd rather them check it first before I take it. Oh shit.
Bájale. Bájala, the drain bolt.
The drain bolt?
Tráeme para quitarle el de abajo. Agarra una, pero apriétala bien despacito.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The S is back. I'm excited to ride this bike again, man. I miss it so much. And the thing is, like, I notice everything. Yeah, he ended up doing the fork seals as well, which needed to be done so bad. I've been practicing the wheelies, obviously, as you guys see, but that only gets you to mess up your forks, kids, so learn from that. I mean, it's not cheap, unless, obviously, you got the wheelies knocked down, but bro, the homie Alex is on top of things, brother. He is on top of things, so. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the official... Alright, this is going to be the official first ride of the S. She's still not put back together, right? But we're going to just go test her out. Fingers crossed that everything goes good. Still a few little details missing on it, right? Like they're going to find that motor mount bolt. Got the Alpha Racing Airbox. We got the new ECU. We got fresh oil, new engine. I'm not sure if they left the injectors because they were fine, but here we go. Whew. Oh, she sounds good, man. Wow, she sounds really good. She sounds really good. But yeah, guys, I mean, we've done it all. Literally, like I said, we did the complete tear down, breakdown of this bike, rebuild it with the new engine from Sly, and all the work after that done by Tech Superbikes with the homie Alex. But so far, she sounds good. We're about to go on the highway, get the first feel of the first through 6th gear. Hopefully everything feels good. The fork seals were redone on this bike. Oh, she feels good. That's all the way to 6th. She feels amazing. ABS are not reading, and I'm gonna ask Alex right now, but I'm assuming it's because I'm assuming it's because the ECU is the newer model ECU. My bike is a 20, and I believe the ECU came off at 23. So we got a few differences on the ABS. Yeah, she runs good, man. Okay, all right. Are we back? Is that what it means? Wow, yeah, no, she's running great. She feels amazing, guys. Oh my god. I know last time when I showed you guys the video of the engine swap, there was no riding in that video, and I apologize for that, because I feel like if you're watching my channel, you're at least expecting a small ride out of it, right? So appreciate you for coming back, checking out the S1K. I know a lot of you guys missed it. Me myself, I missed this bike way too much, even though we have the M now. But this bike is the OG bike and will always be the OG bike. I love this bike. I'm not sure if I'll get rid of it anytime soon, at least, but if I do, you guys have seen everything I've done to it. It's she is back, baby, and I love that. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. We are growing slowly and consistently, and I love that about us. It's like a S1K Rafa Army, I guess we can call it. We're little now, but we're gonna grow. We're gonna grow up and become something bigger. If not, a lot of you guys consider it, you know, love, and I do too. But with that being said, guys, the S is back. We're back, baby. We're back in business. We just gotta get back on the M, which I'll be making a video of the update on the M here shortly. A lot of you guys are asking, where's the M? And I still own the M, but there's something going on with the M. Any guesses on what it could be? There's a lot in my plate going on. I was going through some stuff with the S. The M, it's being worked on. If you want to take a guess on the comment section on what the M is getting done, and any guesses, so drop them down below. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Love you guys, and till the next one. I don't know if I'm adding more when I get back to Alex's shop, but till the next one, guys. Love you all. Subscribe. Peace.